Hello, and today we're going to be playing Universe Sandbox. And we're going to be making planets collision! So, let's add some random gas giants. Whoa. For crashing! And I want them to be in seconds. So it's only showing seconds. A lot of crashing's going on. Let's add this a little bit faster. Millions. No! There we go. What's the biggest one so far? They're all moving. You're not getting closer. Let's add some more gas giants. Oh, they're not exploding fast enough. Let's use this. Everything's exploding. Let's make new ones where will definitely work. Let's add Mercury. Against Mercury. Against Mercury. Against Mercury. Whoa! This is best. Look at all these conditions. Now let's add Earth. Let's open this and physics. Collisions! Yes! Let's use. That was a small explosion. Wait, is Australia still alive? If that was Australia that just got destroyed, I'm so annoyed. Oh, let's go inside Earth. Let's go inside Earth. Let's go inside Earth. Whoa, this looks weird. Can we actually go inside Earth? No. Okay. I'm stuck. Can't move. Earth and Moon. Star Martian. Let's stand on the moon to see what it's like. Stand. I want to stand. It's not letting me stand on the moon whilst it's dying. Okay, hang on. Let's just pretend we're walking on the moon. Oh no! Ah! 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 I'll have to wrap this up. So, whoa! It would be terrifying that actually happening. If this happens to be your first video seen by me, please subscribe and join the team of gaming. Goodbye!